It's opening morning. It's about 4:40 in the morning and we're getting ready to head out for hear some bugling and make some good shots. So here we go.
Meow. Meow.
Well, he come right across here and I was at full draw when he was behind this bush, but he just kept walking. We couldn't stop him. So when he stopped, his head was behind the thick brush, but his perfect body parts for the vitals were in a hole. And Brent goes, "You see that hole?" I said, "Yeah." He says, "Put your 30 pin right on it. Can you hold there?" I said, "Yes." And I nailed it. I was steady. Steady
as a rock.
And it thump. I love that sound.
I heard the slurp.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, I want the story.
Oh my goodness. Full draw. He was coming by some brush and we couldn't stop him in the opening. So he went past into another bush and he stopped before coming out. But Brent says, "Honey, there's an opening right there." He said, and it was perfect for his vitals. So he said, 30-yard shot, drill him. Can you make the shot? I said, "Yeah." So I held steady on there and released it, and you heard that thump, you know.
Thump. I heard the cameraman try to stop him in the opening, but he didn't stop.
But that's okay. It worked out great, and it made it more memorable,
Except
I think.
I didn't get it on film, but I heard the thunk on film.
That's awesome. No, we had a great time. Good team effort. My family was here. Our great friends were here.
Congratulations.
Husband, so thank you. It was awesome. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Hey Brent, what you got there?
I got my arrows, and I got awesome blood. I mean, running blood on my arrow.
So, tell us about your morning.
We got out of the truck, and got our gear on in a big bull bugle, and we were looking at each other and said, "That sounds like a good bull." So we got our gear and headed this direction. We bugled again. We snuck through the tules and the brush and trees and stuff and got into a view of him, and Cindy seen him and stopped, and I was behind her and stopped, and behind her I was hiding and got my rangefinder out, put on the bull, and he was 45 yards. And I was able to slip everything and put my arrow on, make a good shot on him, and he went out probably 75, 80, maybe 100 yards, and laid down and died. So,
All right,
you
congratulations.
can see the blood.
Oh,
And
yeah.
the great thing, I had my boys and my best friends with me. It was great.